Green Week is a week-long festival exploring environmental sustainability and what we can do as individuals, as an organisation and as musicians to make a positive difference in the climate crisis. We've had a zero waste challenge, we've had the Treephonia installation showcasing RCM students' work, and we've also had a really great webinar that's looked at the overall impact that music can make in the climate crisis. The Royal College of Music has a really long-standing commitment to the environment. We set a target way back in 2005 to reduce our emissions by 2020 by 34%, and we actually managed to exceed that and get to 60%, which is a really great achievement. We've got an ambitious plan to get to net zero by 2035, and we've got a carbon management plan set out that will help us to get there.
Well, I think it's a wonderful initiative for Green Week to get people out and about and doing something healthy and physical.
So Treephonia is a project that started in 2019, and 17 composers from the Royal College of Music wrote music for trees. We're lucky now to have this installation where people can come in and experience the compositions live in an immersive space.
So this installation is a continuation of the Treephonia project. The same trees have been captured, but now at this time of year, so without leaves.
I wrote music for two trees, the London plane tree and white ash.
I wanted to create the impression that the tree was breathing in the music, so I used lots of instruments that were made of wood, so guitars, clarinets, and then I layered them all in with textures of the actual soundscape of the gardens as well.
I think our project, Treephonia, has an incredibly important message, which is not only to preserve nature, not only to respect it, but also to engage with it in creative ways.
My favourite part of the project was collaborating with other composers on the combo mixes of multiple compositions, which is actually what you're hearing now in this installation.
As artists, we don't always have the power to make decisions about the environment, but we have a platform and a sort of voice to be able to acknowledge the importance of our relationship with nature.